In a world buzzing with technological advancements, artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the landscape of countless industries. One such area is hiring. As companies seek efficient ways to manage the influx of job applications, AI hiring tools have emerged, promising to streamline the process and identify the best candidates. These AI-powered systems can analyze resumes, assess video interviews, and even predict candidate success based on data analysis. The appeal is undeniable: increased efficiency, reduced costs, and potentially more objective decision-making. Imagine a future where tedious resume screening is automated, freeing up recruiters to focus on meaningful interactions with potential hires. Imagine a world where unconscious bias is mitigated and opportunities are more equitably distributed. This is the promise of AI in hiring, a promise of efficiency, objectivity, and fairness. But like any powerful tool, AI must be wielded responsibly. Without careful consideration of the ethical implications, we risk amplifying existing biases and creating systems that perpetuate inequalities. The potential of AI to make hiring fairer is immense. Human biases, often unconscious and deeply ingrained, can seep into decision-making processes, disadvantaging certain groups. AI, when developed and implemented ethically, offers a chance to mitigate these biases. By analyzing data based on predefined criteria and objective metrics, AI can help identify qualified candidates from diverse backgrounds who might have been overlooked due to human prejudices. This has the potential to level the playing field, ensuring that everyone has a fair shot at opportunity. Imagine a world where a candidate's ethnicity, gender, or socio-economic background don't influence their chances of getting their foot in the door. Imagine a system where skills, qualifications, and potential are the sole determinants of success. This is the promise of ethical AI in hiring, a promise of fairness, equity, and a workforce that reflects the rich tapestry of human diversity. However, this optimistic vision hinges on a crucial factor: the ethical development and deployment of AI. If not carefully designed and monitored, AI systems can inherit and even amplify the very biases they are intended to eliminate. Consider an AI system trained on a dataset of resumes from a predominantly male workforce in a specific industry. If this historical data reflects a gender imbalance, the AI might incorrectly learn to associate certain skills or traits with men, inadvertently penalizing female applicants. This bias can extend beyond gender to encompass race, ethnicity, age, and other protected characteristics. If an AI is trained on data reflecting existing societal inequalities, it will likely perpetuate those inequalities, creating a vicious cycle of discrimination. The consequences are far-reaching. Biased AI hiring practices can exclude qualified individuals, stifle diversity, and reinforce systemic disadvantages. This underscores a critical point. The path to ethical AI requires constant vigilance, rigorous testing, and a commitment to fairness at every stage. Transparency is paramount to building trust in AI hiring systems. Both job seekers and employers need clear explanations of how these systems work and what data points are used in decision-making. Imagine applying for a job and receiving automated feedback that lacks clarity. The system flags your application as not a good fit, but offers no insights into why. This lack of transparency can breed distrust and frustration. Candidates deserve to understand the factors influencing their application's outcome. Similarly, employers need assurance that the AI they are using is making fair and unbiased assessments. This requires clear documentation of the data used to train the AI, the algorithms employed, and the steps taken to mitigate bias. Transparency fosters accountability. When developers, employers, and job seekers understand how AI hiring systems operate, they can identify potential biases and work together to address them. Transparency paves the way for a future where AI is a trusted partner in the hiring process. Section 5. Data, the foundation of ethical AI. Data is the lifeblood of AI. The quality and diversity of data determine AI fairness and effectiveness. Like a house on shaky foundations, biased data leads to flawed AI. Imagine an AI predicting job success with biased training data. It would fail to assess diverse candidates accurately. Ethical AI requires diverse, representative data sets. Seek data reflecting all genders, races, ages, and backgrounds. Regularly audit and update data to prevent biases. Section 6. Auditing for hidden bias. Even with the most carefully curated data, biases can still creep into AI systems. This is why regular audits are essential to identify and mitigate hidden biases that may emerge over time. Think of these audits as routine checkups for your AI. Just as a doctor monitors your health for potential issues, data scientists and ethicists must regularly assess AI systems for signs of bias. This involves analyzing the AI's decision-making patterns for any disparities or unfair outcomes. For instance, an audit might reveal that an AI system consistently ranks candidates from a particular demographic lower than others, despite having similar qualifications. This would signal a need to investigate the root cause of this disparity and adjust the AI's algorithms or training data accordingly. Regular audits help ensure that AI systems remain fair and objective. They provide an opportunity to course-correct, address emerging biases, and maintain trust in the technology's ability to promote equitable hiring practices. Section 7. Empowering candidates, respecting privacy. In the age of data-driven decision-making, protecting candidate privacy is paramount. AI hiring systems must be designed and implemented with robust data security measures to safeguard sensitive personal information. Candidates deserve to know what data is being collected about them, how it will be used, and for how long it will be stored. Transparency and consent are crucial. Imagine applying for a job and later discovering that your social media profiles were analyzed without your knowledge or permission. This invasion of privacy is unacceptable. Ethical AI in hiring requires obtaining explicit consent from candidates before collecting or analyzing any personal data. Furthermore, data should be anonymized whenever possible to protect individual identities. Robust encryption and secure storage protocols must be implemented to prevent data breaches and unauthorized access. By prioritizing data privacy and security, we can empower candidates, build trust, and ensure that AI hiring practices are ethical and responsible. Section 8. The human element, augmentation, not replacement. Technology should augment, not replace human judgment. AI helps recruiters make informed and equitable decisions. Imagine AI flagging a candidate based on resume keywords. A human might see transferable skills and potential. Human empathy and intuition are invaluable. AI handles repetitive tasks and identifies biases. Embrace AI as a partner to preserve human judgment's value. Section 9. Building a more equitable future. The journey towards ethical AI in hiring is a collective one. It requires collaboration between policymakers, technologists, ethicists, employers, and job seekers to establish clear guidelines, foster responsible innovation, and ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests. We must move beyond simply mitigating bias and strive to create AI systems that actively promote diversity, equity, and inclusion. This means designing AI that recognizes and values the unique talents and perspectives of individuals from all walks of life. Imagine a future where AI helps to break down barriers, dismantle systemic disadvantages, and create a level playing field for everyone. Imagine a world where opportunities are distributed based on merit, potential, and the audacity of dreams, not the circumstances of birth or the prejudices of the past. This is the future we must strive for, a future where AI empowers us to build a more just, equitable, and prosperous world for all. Section 10. A call to action, responsible AI for all. The future of work is linked to the responsible development and deployment of AI. We must proceed with caution, wisdom, and a commitment to ethical principles. The choices we make today will determine AI's impact on the workforce. Let us build AI systems that reflect fairness, equality, and opportunity for all. Let us harness AI to create a world where everyone can reach their full potential.